Assalamualaikum. Hello everyone. Today is the last day of my project. That's why after today it's finished. Like, today is a competition day. It's gonna be so stressful and I'm literally so nervous. If you can feel my heartbeat, you'll understand. It's as high, I can feel it in my fingertip. But I hope we do well. That's all I want. Yeah. So after today I won't be doing anything for my project, and anyway, from this week, no, today is Saturday, next week my exams are starting, so now I have to study for exams. But now I really need to go because I think it's late. So as you Assalamualaikum. Hello, as you know, my Didi Bhai went to school at 7:30 and now it's around 9 o'clock. So I made my breakfast on my own, one banana and bread and Nutella. And over here I have milkshake, strawberry milkshake. So right now I'm putting the Nutella on the bread. So it's done now. Now this is my breakfast, that's it. My Didi Bhai is very tensed because she don't know who will win, and she worked so much. She worked till night, 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, like that, with her project. I hope she wins. We will show you after she comes back home. This is a clip of my Didi Bhai making a chart for her project, and this is how it looks like. It's a chart of her a working model, and I also helped her to make the borders, and my Amma also helped her. She made it on last Friday because as you know, the competition is today. So she made it on last Friday. Comment it down below, how does it look like? I think it's nice. Now my Amma was cooking our lunch. She was mixing all the masalas with the chicken. Masalas, I don't know the name. She was putting something. She was putting curd now. I know that because I saw. She was putting curd and many other things and mixing the chicken. And I was helping my Amma with the house chores. I was making my bed. As you can see, I was making my bed. Then after making my bed, my Amma told me to sweep the house. And I did as she told me. I was sweeping the house. Sweeping the house is so hard, but still I did it. And my birds were also left. They were out, as you can see, to walk around and be free to fly and like that. Somewhere inside the cage because they don't want to come out, like that, something. This is somewhere out. As you can see, the lovebirds and parrot and cockatiels were out playing. And I also stopped doing work and started playing with them. As you can see, these are the lovebirds. I was playing with them after doing the work. One flied away, but I didn't have any problem. These were my other birds, cockatiel and the parrot. I was playing with them also.
I love my birds. They are so cute. They also sit on my shoulder without flying away. See, like they are sitting quietly. And the parrot tries to fly, but he doesn't fly away. He just sits there. They are so nice, right? I know, I love my birds. Especially the parrot. Now back to cooking. My mom started cooking again. She was frying all the chilies and the onions. As you can see, she is frying until they are fried properly. Then she is putting all the chicken that she made before with all the masalas. Now she is cooking it, stirring it nicely. She is making chicken today, as you can see. Now then she put the potatoes in. I think they are gonna explode. Then it is looking so nice from now only. But now my mom changed the pans, she took a bigger pan and she transferred it. After transferring, she covered it with, she mixed it more, and then she mixed it more. After mixing, she covered the pan with the cover of the pan. After it's ready. It looks so good. I was so hungry, so my mom gave me rice. She was opening my rice. She was giving me. She gave me rice and chicken. After putting everything on the plate, she put the salad in the side. Then she gave it to me finally. Now I'm eating. I'm so lucky. My Didi Bhai had to go to school at 7 o'clock on Saturday, so I didn't need to go, and I'm eating. I have my lunch. My Didi Bhai didn't get to eat this. Then we needed to go pick my Didi Bhai. So I got ready and we are in the lift right now. We were on our way to go pick my Didi Bhai. We are on our way. I hope Didi Bhai wins because I am so excited to see what happens. Will she win or will she lose? I don't know. I'm hoping that she wins. Now we are on our way again. We are going. I'm so excited to see my Didi Bhai. We are in the school zone right now. As you can see, there are so many schools right here. We are gonna reach in some time. This is one project that was kept there, and I know this is not my Didi Bhai because I saw what she made, and this was incredibly nice. It was so goodly detailed and etc. It was so good. And my Didi Bhai also had a surprise for me, and you guys also, my parents also. And here she is, and here is the surprise. She won the second place in her competition. So my parents brought her a cake and she cut it. She's cutting it now. And after cutting, she congrats her own self, and then she's giving to mom and me and herself. And after eating, it was almost dinner time. So my parents ordered food, and here it is. And this is it for this video, and I'll see you in our next video. Until then, bye bye, masalama, see you.